To see how we do this DIY home manicure, stay tuned. I began this home manicure by soaking my cuticles to get them to be softer than they were. Next, we're going to take our cuticle cutter and very carefully cut off all ragged cuticles. You want to take your time with this part because it can be very easy to actually cut yourself, and you want to take care to avoid doing that as much as you can. You don't want your cuticles to be bleeding or to have any nicks. So take your time with this part and clean up your cuticles as much as you can. Once you finish cutting your excess cuticles, you want to take this cuticle pusher and then just very gently push your cuticles back. This will make sure that your cuticles don't look overgrown once you apply the press-on nails. So again, you want to take your time with this step because you don't want to damage your cuticles. You just want to slightly push them back. Take your time with this step as well. Next, you're going to take this 4-way block that helps with filing your nails. Step 1 is to file, step 2 is to buff, step 3 is to smooth, and step 4 is to shine. This is very important in getting your nails cleaned off in preparation to apply the press-on nails, because it gives the press-on nails a smooth surface to adhere on. And you want to take your time utilizing each of the 4 steps on this block and file each nail using all 4 sides. Take your time and use light pressure so that you also don't ruin your nail bed. Once I washed my hands after using the 4-sided block, I'm using this alcohol prep pad to completely remove any leftover residue off of my nails. This is a very important step in applying press-on nails because it cleans off any leftover residue that you can't see and make sure that you have a clean base for applying the press-on nails. This is an imperative step because it makes the nails last as long as they possibly can. Please do not skip this step. Finally, it's time to apply your nails. You want to take the time to look at each nail and size them to the appropriate finger. Because I've used pressed-on nails for such a long time, I know exactly what numbers match my nails. But you want to take the time to do this beforehand because this step will go really quickly once you do. Each press-on nail has a sticker on the back that covers the adhesive tab, and they are all numbered, so it makes for easy application. You just simply remove the plastic tab and press the nail on, starting from your cuticle to the tip of your nail, and take your time doing this. And once you apply all of your nails, you're going to take the time to file down the tips so that the little small tabs don't show. I'm gonna finish the other hand off camera. And this is how your finished press-on manicure should look. The nails look just like acrylic or gel nails would look, and it's a simple and easy and inexpensive way to maintain your nails while we are still in quarantine. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down in the comment section below, letting me know what colors are your favorite for when you get your manicures done, or what designs that you would normally pick when you go looking for press-on nails. I would love to see what colors, and maybe these are colors that I can try in the future. These manicures come out really nicely, and it's a very simple solution to keeping your nails looking nice while we are quarantined, because I definitely do not suggest chancing it and going to the salons even though things are opening back up. I hope you guys like this video this week. Make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what colors you like. Thank you so much for joining me for another video this week. These press-on manicures are such a lifesaver. They're so inexpensive. Each pack only costs about $7, and they have a wide variety of colors, patterns, and designs that you can choose from. And the great thing is that you don't even have to leave your house to pick these up. They're available to be ordered from Amazon, Target, Walmart, any website that you can think of. Even Ulta has them. So make sure that you guys tag me in any of your DIY press-on home manicures that you do. I would love to see the different styles and varieties, and they come in a huge variety of lengths as well. I did these nails because my birthday is coming up this weekend, and even though I won't be able to celebrate like I wanted to, at least my nails will look great. And if you maintain these nails and you apply them like I showed you, they will last for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. So thank you for joining me for another video. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and making sure that your health is the #1 priority. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. I love you guys. Stay creating and keep safe. I'll see you next week. Bye.